Hey, come with me for a cozy coffee at the beautiful Kinsley Hotel in Cork here. I'm nestled in this charming cafe, sipping my evening coffee, soaking in the cozy vibes. I'll show you. With the raindrops gently dancing in the window, this ambience is so warm and inviting. And the view of the river adds a magical touch to the whole experience. Though it's a simple coffee in the evening, but this experience is definitely magical. That's why I like fall. I like the autumn vibes. Let me show you a little bit more of the exterior, how it looks outside. This is so charming.